Hi, I'm Matt with Mineral Stains. Today I will talk about how I got started and what inspired me to start my business. I just recently purchased a home and it was a typical outdated yellow brick. My goal was to update the exterior and beautify the curb appeal. I had done tons of research on brick staining. This alone took me over 3 months to research, to review all articles, reviews, opinions, and any videos containing brick staining. I looked into the warranty, maintenance, and the breathability aspect of the product, which, as we all know, is the most important. I wanted to make sure that I used the best product on my house. I had requested a few companies to come out and provide a quote. One company took over a month and a half to get back to me just with the quote, and the second company ended up coming out 3 months later. The follow up and the feedback left me astounded on how others run their business. Today, time is at the top of everybody's list as we know it. So I saw a potential in starting a company in this industry, taking it to a new level with marketing, communicating, our accountability factor, and above else, meeting your goals as clients, going above and beyond and delivering a finish that will provide a wow factor. My aha moment came when I networked with a few builders and contractors and architects, and I noticed that most didn't understand the product or how it works, as everyone is used to paint peeling or deteriorating over time. So I went to a meeting with my manufacturer. It was actually the AIA meeting, also known as American Institute of Architects, and I noticed how many architects at the meeting were either confused or very intrigued based on the product, but literally 6 out of 10 people never heard of this technology. So I wanted to cover what the benefits regarding our mineral stains are. The most important thing is it's completely breathable, which means that the moisture is never going to be trapped inside. It's water repellent, so water's not going to get in. It's non-flammable, so 95% of the mineral content is not combustible. It's antimicrobial by nature because it will remain neutral in regards to pH, so it's not going to inhibit algae or mildew, which means your home is going to look nice and clean. You're not going to have to, power wash it every couple of years. The next thing, it's odorless. So if you want to do any jobs in the future on the inside, whether it be a wall or fireplace, you will not notice that ammonia type smell. It's environmentally sound. There is no hazardous waste. So once the product is dry, our product literally will solidify into the brick and turn solid, and it's very easy for disposal. So if, in any event, if you ever need to replace any bricks and you just want to recycle it, it's not going to be an issue. Our warranty is for 30 years. The finish of our stains and its longevity is really the true value that nothing else in the industry can substitute. We love to earn your future business and change your outdated brick or stone home, and we could do this one brick at a time. Please reach out to us on a project if you need assistance with picking a color or any other questions you may have. Thank you so much. Once again, this was Matt with Mineral Stains.